Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center, and today I just wanted to show you a boat that our installers have been working on for the last couple of days. We've ripped out a whole bunch of old marine audio gear and we put in a whole bunch of new stuff. Let me show you what we started with. Everything that I have on the table here is everything that we pulled out of the boat when it was brought to us. So we have a set of Bazooka Tower speakers matched up with a Bazooka amplifier, and then we have the old factory head unit and some pretty factory looking speakers. If you ask me, I think it was definitely time that this customer got an upgrade. When the customer brought us this boat, he told us that he wanted more sound. But the boat came to us with only 2 holes drilled for speakers, one right by the driver and one right by the passenger. So our install team decided that we're going to replace those speakers and we're going to add 2 more at the front of the boat, as well as our wake tower speakers. So our installers were able to go in there, add 2 more spots for the Rockford 6.5-inch speakers, and they fit perfectly. For this boat that we had in the shop here, we went with an entire Rockford Fosgate Marine audio system. Everything from the subwoofer all the way up to the head unit is Rockford Fosgate. Starting with the subwoofers, we installed 2 of their 10-inch marine grade subwoofers, and we had our install manager, Landon, create some awesome custom boxes for them. They look completely factory and like they were always meant to be there. We also installed 2 of their 8-inch wake tower speakers, complete with the protection sleeves, just to keep them safe from the elements. We also installed 4 of their 6.5-inch marine grade speakers. Tying everything together is their PMX5 marine grade head unit. Powering all of these speakers requires quite a bit of power, so we actually installed 3 amplifiers on this boat. The wake tower speakers themselves have their own amplifier, the subwoofers have their own amplifier, and then the 4 6.5-inch speakers have their own amplifier to share as well. I can't wait to see the look on our customers' face when they see what our installers were able to recreate with their boat. If you're interested in getting your own marine grade audio system set up in your boat, give us a call at JB's Power Center or feel free to stop by one of our JB's locations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here, and if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.